Rearo Laminates is an award-winning, recognised supporter of apprentice programmes, and we work closely with Skills Development Scotland and Scottish Enterprise. We're always on the lookout to have new apprentices join us across a variety of functional areas, and that might be at foundation, apprentice or graduate level.
I started when I was 17, just as I left school, as an apprentice for a year, and my plans were really just to do a year's training so I've got like job experience, but I ended up loving it that much. I've stayed for 5 years now.
Started a 3 years apprentice, left from school, straight in when I was 16. Quite a shy guy back then, but now I've developed my confidence, my people skills, teamwork building skills, and just my general knowledge and life skills have just definitely improved because of Rearo and the opportunities that they've gave me.
Back in 2014 was when we did our first official apprentices with the help of the CITB, and I can remember the day when Scott and Andrew and Rhys all started. They all came in on the same day with the help of the CITB. They were really successful. They all completed their apprenticeships. Scott has actually now moved on to a job at a new company, but Rhys and Andrew have both become key members of the production team and the quality control team respectively.
So I've been here 7 years, and when I first came in, the staff were brilliant, perfect, taught me everything, taught me the machines.
I chose Rearo because I thought it'd be a great opportunity for me to learn like good skills with people. Main skills I've learned is also how to form laminate and like make sure it's all tidy and neat, and I never know how to do that before.
After the success of the initial factory apprentices, we decided to expand that and take on admin apprentices at each of our branches. And again, that was really successful, and they've all come through their apprenticeships. Duncan's a mainstay at the Inverness branch. Ryan came on to be assistant manager at the Rosyth branch, and Chloe is our youngest ever manager of a branch.
I worked my way up from apprentice to like sales admin. And then from there, I've just recently became branch manager.
The younger staff have now got a career path. We're setting out a path for them, like maybe over the next 5-6 years, how they can progress through the company.
First I started Rearo, I was working in the warehouse mainly, and then got given an opportunity to work on the sales side of it as well. Been able to speak to people in the branch, and they've taught me how to sell and how to give people what they want from a kitchen or bathroom or any room in the house.
I've been an apprentice at Rearo for 8 months, and I've learnt quite a few things about teamwork, also how the stuff's made, where it all comes from.
Doing the apprenticeship scheme, it sort of built my ability and confidence to speak to customers, understand customer service, the business side of the trade.
The apprenticeship side of it's quite good as well, because obviously I get a person in every few weeks to teach me different things, check up on how I'm doing, and it like sort of reflect on everything that's going on, so it's quite helpful for that to happen, because then you know where you're improving and you know where else to work on.
But the staff here have been so great, it just became like a family, and I've picked up a lot of things I never thought I would be doing.
When I first started, everyone made me feel welcome, which really helped because it brought out my confidence quite a lot when speaking to the staff, meeting new people and meeting the customers and stuff. But the training was great, absolutely outstanding. I learned really quickly. Going from production to RLD to now QC, there is potential in Rearo to go further. I do think for an apprentice to come in here and learn, it is a good company to learn for.